welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. My name is Kel, and this is my channel called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So if you just came across my channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe, and make sure to leave me a lovely comment, and welcome to the family. Y'all stay blessed until the next video. Hi y'all, so today we are DIYing the Dollar Tree champagne glasses, the plastic ones. I am in the mood to create something fabulous. So I have 2 packs. I'm going to do one on the camera and then I'll be back when I finish all 4. So that's 1, that's 2. And what you're going to need, if you can find it, is the adhesive pearl wrap from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. This is the 8th one. I used it in another tutorial. So you're going to need, I would assume 1 pack for each glass. So, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Sit back and listen to the wonderful music while I do this DIY, and thank you for stopping over.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the
Thomas family, how are y'all today? So welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I got another Vlogmas day for y'all. Now I know I told y'all I was not going back to the thrift store. Well, I kind of went, but I didn't get a lot. It's here. Now, this is what I have to go through when I go to my neighbors. They got all these signs on here. I don't know if is it for me or my brother, but this is what we have to go through. Look at this shit. Can't even get in the house. Look at this. No trespassing. And then they got the sign up, we are closed due to too many visits. We'll be open next month. Vaughn. And you hear Mom laughing. That's Miss Siobhan, y'all. I ain't gonna put her on camera.